Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to our Year 5-6 presentation about our RSE curriculum. Mrs Hutchins and I are speaking on behalf of the Year 5-6 team and hoping to explain everything that you need to know about RSE. So this term in PHSE, which stands for Personal, Health and Social and Economics, we are covering relationships and sex education. The purpose of this video is to explain what we'll be covering and tell you the differences between the learning of the Year 5s and the Year 6s.
So the first 4 lessons are from the PHSE curriculum and are taught to both Year 5 and Year 6 pupils together. They're based around the idea of relationships. So we start in lesson 1 by just explaining that a relationship is a connection between people. We discuss family, friendship, and also romantic relationships. We talk about what a healthy relationship of any of these sorts looks like, discussing things such as good communication and an understanding of the other person's boundaries, and how to seek help and advice if you're worried about safety.
In lesson 2, we look particularly at family dynamics and how these change as we grow older. We talk about rights and responsibilities and developing independence as a child becomes a teenager. We role play with one child as a parent thinking about the safety of their child and another as a child wanting to do more alone with their friends so that children can get both perspectives.
In lesson 3, we focus on the idea of attraction and why people might be attracted to each other. Again, we look at this through a friendship sense and also a romantic sense. So we discuss how certain personality traits suit each other and also how mutual interests are important in a relationship.
In lesson 4, we revisit the idea of a healthy and unhealthy relationships, but this time looking particularly at the part that social media can play in this. We discuss body image as part of this lesson and how social media can give unrealistic standards.
So from lesson 5 onwards, you'll see on your screen, we split into Year 5 and Year 6 doing different learning. So whilst we actively discourage it, withdrawal from 2 of these lessons is allowed, and you'll see those as the red ones on your screen. So we'll go through the content of these lessons now, but we can assure you we teach children only the information that we're going to go through. So in these lessons, we do have question and answer sessions, but questions about content that's not in our primary curriculum will not be discussed. So please listen to the following information. If you would like to withdraw your child, please do so in writing to your class teacher.
Lesson 5 for the Year 5 children is around puberty. We look at how boys' and girls' bodies change during this time. We discuss periods and how to deal with these with both the boys and the girls looking at sanitary products. In this lesson, we also discuss the importance of hygiene and cleaning yourself thoroughly.
The Year 6 children will revisit their puberty learning from Year 5, but they'll then move on to learning about the process of sexual intercourse and reproduction. We do this from a purely scientific point of view, with just the fact of how this happens in heterosexual relationships in order to make the baby.
Lesson 6 cannot be withdrawn from as it comes under the science and safeguarding curriculum. For Year 5s, they are learning the names of the internal and external sexual organs. They will have named the external organs in their Year 4 lessons, so this just adds to their learning. The Year 6s will be looking at how a baby develops, getting nutrition from the mother through the umbilical cord, and finally how it is born. There is no discussion in this lesson about how the baby was created, so if your child was withdrawn from the lesson before, they can still access this one.
So lesson 7 can be withdrawn from. The Year 5 children will be looking at hormonal changes going through puberty and how this can affect a child emotionally. We'll discuss ways to maintain good mental health. The Year 6s will look at alternative ways to conceive a child, such as IVF, and also how same-sex couples could become parents through avenues such as adoption.
We hope that this has given you all the information that you need. Class has already started the first lessons on relationships and have shown great maturity. Please let us know if you prefer your child to be withdrawn from lessons 5 and 7, or if you would like to discuss the content further or see the PowerPoint slides and resources. Thank you for listening.